We will quickly cover Portuguese commands under the imperative mood for this lesson. All negative commands and affirmative você, nós, and vocês commands use their respective present subjunctive forms. Affirmative tu commands use their respective present tense third person singular forms. And affirmative vos commands remove the s from their respective present tense forms. The imperative mood only applies to the subject pronouns tu, você, nós, vos, and vocês. And to review, the affirmative commands for você, nós, and vocês use their respective present subjunctive forms. The affirmative tu commands use their third person singular present tense form. And affirmative vos commands remove the s from the respective present tense form. Negative commands place no before the verb to indicate negation, and again, all negative commands use their respective present subjunctive forms. So to summarize, only the affirmative tu and vos commands are not based on the present subjunctive, and vos is a mostly obsolete subject pronoun as it is, so you don't even need to worry about it all that much. So that is a very quick summary of Portuguese commands under the imperative mood. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a Portuguese speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.